could only get better. I need it more than ever, they don't.
This is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. So today's video is all about my night routine as suggested by the title itself, and you were all asking about my night routine. Definitely it has changed because of the lockdown, and I just wish and hope that everyone is really safe and taking good care of themselves, because that's really very important. So yes, I'll just quickly take you through my night routine and what I do. It's not a very big routine, a very small routine that I do and follow. So I'll just take you through that, and yes, let's go. So yes, it's about 10:30 right now, and I am making my green tea. Usually I have herbal tea, chamomile tea, or sometimes magic tea. If you follow my channel, you know what is my magic tea. So you must be like, having this sound. Right now it's my kettle. I'm really sorry for it. So yes, basically at this particular time I have my green tea, and this is really very important part of my night routine, because I believe that this really regulates my entire metabolism for the next day, and I feel really very light after it. So yes, this is something that I have, and I have a very quick way of making it as well. I have a strainer, I put some green tea in it. I don't boil it alone. Because I have it in very light concentration, because obviously you cannot have very dark green tea at this particular time, because it has caffeine, a little bit of it, but still it has some of it, right? So I cannot make a very dark green tea, but yes, light concentration green tea will do. And sometimes I have it with lemon, sometimes without lemon, depends. So yes, right now I'm just making my green tea, and then I'll go to do my work. I'll show you around. So basically today I'm going to have it with lemon. So yes, this is my green tea, if you can see. So you will not be able to see the real color right now, but yes, it's light concentration green tea. This is what I have. So chalo, let me show you what I do abhi. So basically this is that particular time of the day where I have to review all the things that has been done today and what we are going to do tomorrow, and I work on some book. I'm also working on my book, so that is this particular time. Also, I have to design content, or I have to work on some program designing. So everything like this is this particular time that I have my green tea and prepare that particular thing. And I really enjoy this time because I really love to read, I love to design and everything. So I just make sure that I do that. So yes, this is what I'll be doing right now. So it's now time for my skincare. I don't use much skincare during my night, but just this vitamin C ultra light gel, that's oil free moisturizer. I moisturize my skin because it's ultra light consistency and quick absorption. You can actually use it twice a day, in morning and evening. So I have been using it twice a day, at night as well and morning. It's non-greasy, gives me 24 hours of hydration, and can be used both on body and face. A perfect light moisturizer, has key ingredient that's vitamin C, good for your skin immunity. The thing about moisturizers are that they are really heavy and makes it very sticky, and I have a very dry skin, so I really need moisturizer, but it has to be non-sticky, and this one is ultra light. Also, it hydrates your skin while retaining your regular pH level, making these moisturizers act as an ultimate refreshment drink for skin this summer. Also, I have taken this nail scratch test. Whenever I apply this moisturizer, I feel that there are no marks and my skin is hydrated all the time. And you know that I recommend Mamaearth product because they believe in goodness that lies in the little choices, and they have almost about 1 lakh trees planted and 1135 metric tons of plastic recycled, and 50,000 of sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks that have been distributed to COVID heroes. Also, they have a newly app launched both on iOS and on Android. The link would be there in my description. Products are 100% natural and chemical free, and yes, you can get extra 20% off. You can use my code GLOW2021 on mamaearth.in, and all the products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and mamaearth.in. So it's about 11:30, or I guess, yeah, mostly I go to bed by 11:30 or 12. This is what usually happens. Sometimes because of work I can get late, but I try. So yes, that is the time. So right now what I have started recently is to start doing some breathing exercise as well. I used to do bedtime exercises, but I never included breathing exercise as well. But nowadays I try and do some, because usually you don't get time to do breathing exercise in the daytime. So this is my time when I usually do the breathing exercises, and I just do some important breathing exercises, some bedtime exercises, and I'm good to go. So I'll show you some of it. I just basically, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have shared a couple of breathing exercises that I do. So I'll just give you a glimpse of what I do. So this is basically slow and very easy. I breathe in when I go up and breathe out when I come back. So breathe in, out, breathe in, out, like open fist, like open, close. Slowly, one more, breathe out, breathe in, out, breathe in, relax.
There's light in the darkness. You just gotta give your eyes a chance to adapt. Feels like you've lost it. Just give your heart a chance to react.
So these are the few exercises that I do before going to bed. Now I basically decide some of my workout clothes for the morning, because that really helps. Morning I usually don't get time to manage all the stuff. So basically Nidhi, my stylist, my fashion person, she sends me a list of all the things that I have to wear the next day. So basically this is my wardrobe, like messed up, and these are my workout clothes. So I just take few of them, like all the list that has been given to me, I take them and I just like be prepared for the next day, what I have to wear for the shoot, for the shoes that I have to wear, and everything that I'm going to be using. So I just prepare that all, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Apart from this, like prior to 30 to 40 minutes before I go to sleep, I drink lots of water. The reason being that firstly I feel really thirsty, because after having herbal teas you tend to feel thirsty, and that's very common. And secondly, because if I have it just before going to bed, it is more like I will have more tendency of going to washroom again and again. So yeah, I drink like prior to 20 to 30 minutes. I have this a lot after my bedtime exercise. I'll not sleep just after my bedtime exercise. I'll do all these stuff. It will take me about 10 to 20 minutes. So yeah, this is pretty much all about my night routine. Nothing much I do. This very simple routine that I follow, and I hope you find it useful. And yes, that's it for this video. I hope you will like it, and if you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon below, and I'll be up with a new video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself, and I love you all. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye bye.